Here we have a 1992 Correct Craft 19-foot Ski Nautique. This boat is a one-owner boat since 1992. (19-foot), has a PCM 351 in it. Beautiful boat. Single axle trailer. The customer we're selling it for does not have a title for the trailer, but see me on how to get one. Definitely get one. Blue and white. Does have a little cracking in the bench seats. But other than that, the blue is super bright, very clean. Carpet's in great condition. Ski mirror, glove box, rated for 6 passengers. Open up the motor compartment here. There's your PCM motor. Does not seem to have an hour meter on it. Very good condition. Beautiful boat. We do offer financing. Come check this one out at our Antioch SkipperBud's.